Hi again, it's ApriLynn, and today we're gonna make a crock-pot meal. Quick, easy, simple. So let's get to it. First, if you're not using, crock-pot, slow cooker, linings, you're doing it wrong. We're gonna take our liner and line our crock-pot. Seriously, liners are game changer for cleaning up. And this is a chicken recipe. I'm using thighs. You can use your preferred cut. The thighs are my favorite. I'm gonna do 4. Ugh, these are pretty big. Season the chicken. We are using Aldis brand of Mrs. Dash. At least I think this is it. All of these ingredients were from Aldis, because I like to buy my ingredients from there. They're cheaper. Smells good. The recipe that I'm following didn't have seasoning measurements, so just measure with your heart. That's probably good. And pepper. Cheers. Look at my cute little pepper holder. Then we're gonna put 2 cans of cream of chicken. Oh, I forgot to tell you what we're making. We're making creamy Italian chicken. Cream of chicken. Or 2 cans, actually. 2 cans. We're almost done with prepping our chicken already. Next is add a whole packet of Italian dressing seasoning mix. As I said, I got all these ingredients from Aldis, but you obviously could get your ingredients from whatever grocery store you go to. A block of cream cheese. I let this sit out to get room temp. And plop on your chicken. Someone's car is extremely loud. I'm gonna put it on high for a couple hours. Probably like in an hour I'll stir it once it gets nice and hot. And then we're gonna make some type of rice or noodles or something and a vegetable to go with this in a couple hours. So we're gonna put it on high for like, oh, gotta plug it in. Like 4 hours. Okay, see you in a couple hours. Goodbye. I'm gonna make some rice to go with the chicken and some Parmesan roasted Brussels sprouts. So I'm gonna make the rice real quick. Once the chicken is cooked, we're gonna shred it. Shreddy. And I'll show you how I'm gonna be making the Brussels sprouts. Okay. I have a bowl of steamed frozen Brussels sprouts. I'm gonna put some olive oil, Parmesan seasoning. Nom 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 nom. Why can I not open it? Oh, there you go. Garlic. Some seasoning, Lawrys. And smokehouse maple. Fresh Parmesan. Nice layer on your pan. I'm gonna fry these or bake these for about 15 minutes. Oh, steamy, steamy. I shredded the chicken. Beautiful. Okay, let's do a little taste test. Ah! Cheers. Oh, Mushi's taking a big drink. Brussels sprouts first. I love Brussels sprouts. Good. Now the chicken. I never made this before, so we're all gonna taste this together. Ooh, it's really steamy. Good. I like it. Good, good. Good, good indeed. It's like a cozy day type of feel. I would make it again. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much. That was hot. For watching, don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Bye bye. Bye bye now. Bye bye. Bye bye. Goodbye.